a cheerleader?
I think so.
Cut! I wonder. Cut. But I like cheerleading. I like cheerleading. Are you gonna be I like cheerleading. I like cheerleading.
You're so cool.
Are you gonna be a cheerleader? I forgot.
That was your line.
Start over.
Oh, God.
Go.
I think we got 2 more. No.
You can do it. Go.
I like cheerleading. I like cheerleading.
You're so cool.
I know.
Are you?
Are you gonna be a cheerleader?
I think so. I wonder who's going to be our teacher.
I think it's Miss Goodman.
I hear she's pretty nice.
A few weeks later was a big game.
That, Minnie.
I bet
I
they.
can't believe we're here.
That was my line.
It wasn't yours, 'cause I can't wait. Now we have to start all over.
No, keep going. Keep going. I want to get to the end.
I'm here. Hi. Go team, go! Woo!
Take your bow. Outstanding. Go.
Hi Christina, are you gonna be a dancer too?
Sure. Sure. How about you?
This is gonna be so much fun. Narrator. A few weeks later was a practice. Ow.
That's it. That's it. Oh, you got to give me at least a knock-knock joke.
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Tap dancers.
Tap dancers. Who's?
Where's the tap dancers?
Molly, your turn. Who's there?
Me.
Me who?
I'm so pretty. Me too.
Oh, that's a good one. Bye-bye.
Wait, this is
Go. It's okay. Bram, do your play. Come on, Bram, dance.
Dance.
Bram, dance like Molly.
Dance